Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Jamaican Insider. So today we're on the road and we're heading from Hope Road to Halfway Tree. Stick and stay with me and enjoy the sights. Across the road from us is the Sovereign Center. As I had mentioned before in a previous video, that's where we go to shop, and there's a movie theater there as well. So how is everybody doing today? Let me know in the comment section below. I promise you I will respond to all comments. Let me know how you're doing today. I trust you are doing well. You know, this video was recorded in 2020. It has been a very interesting year. But still, we have the power to make it the best year yet for ourselves. So, claim it. Alright, so now we're passing by the 100 Club, or the lounge rather. They also have a nightclub there across the road. And this road to our left will take us to Campion College, one of the best high schools here in Jamaica. I know some of you ladies like to wear Bridget's sandals. This is a store for it. And to all my people who love to eat, be sure to check out Chilitos. It's a Jamaican and Mexican fusion restaurant. As you can see, there's another construction going on here on our right. This time it's for office space. There's some art here on display on our left. Let's have a look. Let me know what you think about it. You can comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you're feeling it. And for those of us who like to go to the spa, there's one here on our right called Gencare. I'm sure you would agree it would be impossible to do a tour or unreasonable to do a tour of Hope Road without mentioning the Marley Museum, probably the most famous or popular attraction here in Kingston. Here it is. It's located on the right. And there's a TGIF across the street right here on our left. And to the right is King's House. Huge property. This is where the Governor General of Jamaica, who is a Queen's representative here in Jamaica, this is where he resides. Right now we're passing the Ronnie Williams Entertainment Center and the Police Officers Club. So right here at the Ronnie Williams Entertainment Center, quite a few events are held. It's often used for persons to exercise, as it's a wide open space. And to the right of us now is the Liberty Academy. In the past, the Prairie High School was here. And to our left is the Andrews Memorial Hospital. And on our right is the Devon House, another huge property. As you may know, Devon House is famous for its ice cream. It's ice cream. One can also tour the mansion as well. Passing by the Kingston YMCA. This is where young people come to learn to swim, among other activities. And to the left of us is the JSPCA, the Jamaica Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. So this is basically an animal shelter. It's a place where you can come and adopt an animal and take him home, whether it's a cat, a dog, a bird, you name it. And now we're passing by the Winchester Business Center on our left. Yes, viewers and subscribers, welcome to Halfway Tree. You know, Halfway Tree is the capital of the parish of St. Andrew. And as you can see, it is very lively. It's a great place to come and shop. And to our right is the Nelson Mandela Park, named after the South African leader. If ever you're in this area, be sure to use the free Wi-Fi that is available. So yes, viewers and subscribers, we're coming to the end of another video. Thank you so much for watching it. And I want to encourage you to watch the other videos that are coming up. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell. Leave us a like, comment and share. Thank you so much.